If your feet are feeling rough and dry, various factors such as age, genetics, climate, or ill-fitting shoes may be to blame. Fortunately, restoring their softness is achievable through simple treatments. Consider using a homemade sugar scrub made from granulated white sugar, brown sugar, and olive oil, or a soothing peppermint foot scrub with Epsom salt and peppermint oil. Regular buffing with a pumice stone after a warm soak can also help remove dead skin. For moisturizing, apply coconut or olive oil at night and wear socks to lock in moisture. While heel balm can improve skin elasticity, it's essential to wear well-fitting shoes, avoid high heels that are too tall, and minimize time in flats or barefoot to prevent foot issues. Additionally, maintain foot hygiene by rinsing with warm water, drying thoroughly, and hydrating by drinking plenty of water. Lastly, ensure any nail salon you visit follows strict sanitation practices to protect your feet.